I'm really excited. I've been completely thrilled with the outpouring of all the city council members and mayors across the state that been communicating, saying they were waiting for somebody to come out and do this.
I think that's the shot heard around the state of California. So they absolutely inspired me, and I reached out to them right away.
Now all Orange County cities are coming out, and they want to come out, opt out against this California's bad law.
The anti-sanctuary state movement is picking up steam in Orange County, California. 6 California cities are already saying they won't enforce the state's sanctuary laws. Now, an Orange County sheriff said she's going to follow federal law over state law. The Orange County Sheriff's Department, whose leadership opposes the new California sanctuary law that limits cooperation with federal immigration officials, announcing today that it is now providing public information on when inmates when they were released from custody, a move agency officials say will enhance communication with its law enforcement partners. Joining me now, California Sheriff Margaret Mims. Margaret, welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Why do you think that it is better to follow the federal law than to enforce the state sanctuary law? And the question I want to ask you is this is in response to State Bill 54, which makes it illegal to report these illegal immigrants, makes it illegal to ask an illegal if they are illegal, which is crazy. What are the ramifications of not following the state law?
Well, the ramifications are now ICE is going out into the community to take people into their custody when they could have done so by coming into a safe, secure environment like our local jails. I want to commend Sheriff Hutchins for what she's doing down in Orange County because the law says that we cannot share database with a law enforcement agency. They can only get their information through what the public gets, and that's what many of us have decided to do. Just make the information public, and that's where, unfortunately, ICE has to go, rather than be able to communicate with us directly about people that may pose a danger in our communities.
It appears that you don't have much choice. You're going to violate either state law or you're going to violate federal law. So you have to choose, it appears, which is a terrible choice to make. What are the repercussions, though, of not following that state law?
Well, the repercussions is sheriffs who are stuck in the middle can be held personally liable for violating state law. And it's what I call an untenable position for us to be in. We believe strongly, I believe, in the rule of law. And it's very confusing when we have the federal government and the federal law that conflicts with state law. And in the meantime, the state is suing the federal government any chance they get, and it just causes more worry and more community upheaval, which we can't put up with as local law enforcement. The community distrust that's going on as a result of some real bad information going on out there.
And you're stuck in the middle of this while you're on the front lines. And on those front lines, switching gears, 5 members of the notorious MS-13 street gang have been arrested in the killings of 10 victims in the Las Vegas area over the past year. Here's the sheriff.
The suspects involved in these crimes are extremely violent and killed their victims over as little as identifying with another gang or participating in street-level narcotic sales. All the victims were either shot or stabbed numerous times.
Sheriff, you got Lamara, you got Latin Kings, you got MS-13, you have a whole host of nationwide gangs out there with ties to Central America and South America. How do you combat this?
Well, we're working hard with all law enforcement agencies to combat this. And to tie it with our previous subject, we might have information that somebody is involved in a street gang, and that's one of the issues where if they're not convicted of a crime, we cannot tell ICE about it. So we might have somebody that's a member of or acting with these violent gangs, and we cannot communicate with a federal law enforcement agency. So it's certainly not making our jobs any easier as we try to protect our communities. In fact, it's interfering with our ability to keep the people that live in our community safe.
Sheriff, you're on the front lines. Thank you for what you do. I appreciate all law enforcement. You guys are doing a wonderful job. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.